The rounds of the soul. 16th round in the divine will. The wedding feast of Cana and Jesus' public life. The proclamation of the gospel. Jesus, my love and my life, I see that before beginning your public life, your heart set ablaze with love moves you to assist at the wedding feast of Cana along with your mother, and I follow you with my I love you. I can feel your heart beating with love and sorrow, as you recall having assisted at and blessed another wedding, namely, that of Adam and Eve in their state of innocence in Eden, where a double espousalship was celebrated. The espousalship of your divine will with the human will, and the espousalship of the first, man and woman. In Eden you had given in dowry to man and woman, all of creation, as well as your divine will palpitating in their hearts and in all created things. Wherefore, your presence at this wedding, in Cana of Galilee, which is something unusual for you, speaks to me of your desire to make the divine will reign in souls by reordering, within yourself, all human actions. O my Jesus, I draw close to you to envelop your sweet gaze, your melodious voice and your fascinating ways with my, I love you, I adore you, I bless you and I thank you. Through the love that moved you to answer the pleas of the sovereign queen, who asked you to change the water into wine, I beg you out of love for your heavenly mother to perform the great miracle of changing the human will into the divine will, so it may reign on earth as in heaven. Holy Mother, you who showed so much concern for spouse's happiness as to have Jesus change water into wine, I beseech you to please show the same concern by not allowing Jesus to embark upon his public life until he has first promised you that his will shall come and reign on earth. My sweet beloved Jesus, I will not cease telling you, I love you, or repeating my continual melody which entreats you to make your divine will reign on earth as in heaven. To make you grant my wishes, I will follow you in everything to envelop all of your acts with my, I love you, thereby forming about you and within you the formidable host of my acts, that whisper into your ear. Grant me the fiat that beats in your heart, and grant me the will that speaks in your words, that works in your hands and that walks in your footsteps. Throughout your entire being I whisper, I desire that your will reign on earth as in heaven. Oh, listen to your little daughter who loves you so much, or rather listen to your own voice and mine, and grant that we may live in your fiat.